Welcome back, everyone. This is Joshua Montero from Genesis of South Bay. Today I'm going to be showing you the features of the sound system on the Genesis GV70. So the Genesis GV70 does come with Lexicon speakers, and it does have 16 speakers built in the vehicle. It does have 10 in the front, 4 in the back, and then 2 in the very trunk. Okay, everyone, to access the sound system in your Genesis GV70, we'll just scroll over on the infotainment system until we see Setup. Click the word Setup, we go down to Sound, press Sound, and then it gives you Premium Sound. And then we got Quantum Logic, Speed Dependent Volume Control, and also Startup Max Volume Limit. You go to Quantum Logic Sound, it gives you an audience, on stage, and reference. That way it gives you different sound throughout the vehicle, gives you different experience on how you would like to listen to your music. Then we'll go down to speed dependent volume control. You could go to largest change, moderate change, smallest change, or off. And then go back. We could go to position. Position the sound wherever you would like in the car. Let's say I just want it for just the driver. I could just click it, so that way just the driver gets access to the music. If the passenger just wants it, we could do the passenger. Or if you want, we could just do the back seats. Or if you click the center, you get all the sound throughout the whole entire car. Then we go down to tunes. That way you could access your treble, your mid-range, and also your bass. That way, if you want, you could increase it, or if you like, you can decrease it to whatever preference you pretty much would like. Then we go down to guidance. Gives you different options. We do got guidance volume, navigation during calls, navigation volume, priority, mute navigation guidance. You just press guidance volumes. Gives you different options on what would you like. We do got the beep, ringtone, voice recognition, voice prompts. We also got navigation guidance, navigation sound effects, alerts. You could also adjust however you would like for these things. You could increase the volume, or you could decrease the volume, whatever you prefer. And if you want, you could also press navigation during calls. So every time you're on a phone call with someone, the navigation will also pretty much pick up during your conversation, letting you know when you need to turn. Same thing with the navigation volume priority and mute navigation guidance. All these guys are all unchecked. You could check which one you would personally would like to match your personal settings. Then we go back, and then we do got radio noise. Press that. We got original sound, minimum noise reduction, and also max noise reduction. Then we go down to this one, which is driver assist warning. You could also change the volume by clicking the button. It shows you driver safety priority and also parking safety priority. So we do got connected device, we do got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You click Android Auto, you have media and guidance. You could pretty much set the volume how you would like for your media and your guidance. Same thing with the Apple CarPlay. But the Apple CarPlay will actually give you a little bit more. It gives you also voice, phone, and ringtone, unlike Android Auto. Then we go back, and that's all the settings for your sound system. If you guys look over to the far right, it shows you a description on which feature shows best for your vehicle, so that way you could feel comfortable in selecting the proper one that suits to your needs. Thank you very much everyone for watching the video. If you guys did like the video, please hit the subscribe button. And if you guys have any comments, please hit the comment section and also like the video. Thank you everyone very much for watching.